Hey guys, welcome to the Daily Do. Today we've got an amazing treat for you. The Muffin Man has come back to La Junta and he's sharing his special secret recipe with us. And so we're gonna pass that on to you today. As you can see, we've got all of our ingredients laid out. We're ready to go. We're gonna teach you how to make the batter, and then we're gonna teach you how to make the crumble top. All right, the first thing you're gonna do is to go ahead and turn on your oven, and you're gonna preheat the oven, and you're gonna set it down to 170 is gonna be the temperature that you're gonna bake these on. And then you're going to go ahead and take your muffin paper, and you're going to put it into your muffin tin. Now we're ready to start mixing our ingredients. We're gonna start with the dry. So we've got some sugar, we've got flour, we've got some salt and pepper. And now for the rest of the ingredients for the batter. We're gonna use some mayonnaise. I use light because I'm trying to watch my figure. We've got some chocolate sauce, we've got some ketchup, got some Worcestershire sauce, some butter, of course, and these are actually banana muffins, so we're gonna put some bananas in there. And then for a little extra spice, because that's the way we do it out here, we've got a serrano chili pepper. And the banana, the way you want the banana is you want it to be smashed up a little bit, but you still want to have some chunks, okay? So you're gonna smash it just a little bit, but you're still gonna have it chunky, all right? Cool. And then we've got the serrano. Just again, you want it just a little bit, but we do like a little bit of chunk in there, okay? So we've got the serranos right in there. And so now we're gonna mix it up. You gotta get in there, make sure that you really turn it over. Don't worry about the measurements. Remember, the full recipe is on our website under the news section at www.lajunta.com. So the batter's done, it's mixed. You're gonna set that off to the side, and we're gonna go ahead and do the crumble top and mix that together. For the crumble top, it's very simple. All you're gonna need are some grits and tortilla chips. First thing you're gonna wanna do is take your tortilla chips and break them up. So now you're gonna take your grits, you're just gonna pour it into a bowl. You're gonna take your chips that are freshly broken, and you're going to pour them into the bowl with your grits. You're gonna take it and just mix it up. And now your crumble top is ready to go. So now you're gonna take your batter and you're gonna put it into your cups. Now we've got our crumble top. We're gonna take our crumble top and just put that on the top as well. We've got our muffins. They're looking great. They smell wonderful. And now it's time to put them in the oven. All you do, your oven is preheated. You're gonna put them on the center rack right there. You're gonna close it up, and we are going to cook this for about 4.5 hours. All right, it's been a long time. They're smelling awesome, and we've got our hot mitts on. So now we're ready to pull them out of the oven. Oh yeah. Perfect. While they're nice and hot, let's go ahead and serve it up and give it to Colton. Hey Colton.
Yes?
I made muffins.
Ooh, thank you. Ooh, they smell delicious. Let's get a bite. Still warm. Those are excellent.
We're just kidding. It's April Fool's. But if you want to find the real recipe for these delicious muffins, you can go on our website at the news section at www.lahunta.com. Happy eating.